everyone, this is Nicole from Healthy Horse Moms, where I help my horse moms get healthy, wealthy, and live their dream lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to make bone broth. Bone broth is one of the main things I tell people to drink all the time. So there's many reasons why you want to drink bone broth. According to Dr. McCullough's article, Do You Know How to Make Bone Broth and Why You Should? Bone broth provides nutrients your body needs to fight infection, heals the gut, fights inflammation, supports joint health, improves sleep and brain function, provides your body with important vitamins and minerals that are easily absorbed, and supports the thyroid function. So, as you know, what you just heard, bone broth is very important. So let's see how to make it. We're going to start with grass-fed organic bones, which you can buy at any health store. And we're going to put those in a crock pot. And then I have a chopped onion, 3 carrots peeled and chopped, a leek, some bay leaves, garlic, thyme. And we're just going to put all that in here. And then you want to add a splash of apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar helps get the nutrients out of the bones. And then you'll add water. And you cook it overnight, and then you'll skim the fat. And then drink your bone broth. Add plenty of sea salt. Alright, have a good day, guys. Bye.